And that is how we structure our Google Analytics account. Make sure it's up and running, get it added to a Shopify site. All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a Google Analytics account set up and ready to go. So what you want to do is go to marketingplatform.google.com, about analytics, and then do get started today. And on the screen, enter the details of the account, name it the business, Dreamy Furniture is mine, and then these you can have. I always have technical support. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. You can add them, but always I leave technical support in case I gotta contact them. Next, property name. Right. Oh, this looks good. Go ahead. I'm gonna hit next. Doesn't matter. Industry for this one, for me. Nope, no furniture. Which means probably home and garden. Shopping. Yeah, it's kind of it's online shopping. We're going to drive online sales, raise brand awareness, examine user behavior. Now, sales or leads, just depends on what your business is. And I'm going to do all the, come on. And then accept. I'm doing it on the web. Put in my website name. And then my stream name. I like to be as descriptive as possible, so maybe I do web GA4. And so give us our stream. So I'm going to go into the stream. And this is where it's going to say set up Google tag. Now this is something we'll go in detail, but what you would do if you're on WordPress, just use add into your header, drop this piece of code snippet into your header, then you've got the tag on the site. Or you could use Google Tag Manager. So easy to set up, and then you test your installation. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set it up on Shopify. Go into Shopify, and Shopify, which you're not able to see, is that you're going to have online store, and then go to preferences, and then set up your Google Analytics. Hit set up on Google. Going to take you here. You're going to want to install the app. I'm going to hit connect, select my account, and I'm going to choose my account. Continue. Yep. Allow. Not like you have a choice. Alright, then we're going to select our Google Analytics property. Connect. Now we're successfully connected. Now the good thing about Shopify is that it's going to upload all the data directly. Now what we also want to do, now a simple way to test to see if the analytics is on, that you're getting traffic, is in your real time. So you go here, or you could go to reports, real time. It is showing there, so you don't have to go to it, but it's how we check things in general. Like if you did a test for a form or something, you just go in real time and it will show what's going on with who's. You go log into go to the store yourself or the site yourself, and that's how you'll see it. And you can see the different views and everything. And one other piece of setup that we like to do is if you go into your admin section, you can go to admin deck down here on the cog, go to data collection, enhance user insights, turn that on, turn on user provided data collection, go 7, and the acknowledgement. You acknowledge, and data retention. I like this as long as possible. There we go. And I keep reset on new user activity, so new user or user comes back, resets it, starts them over, so that way it keeps within the audiences that we're using most relevant information for what they're currently doing. But they'll be captured as far as if they were a conversion in prior, if that's something you want to keep out of a campaign. Save. And that is how we structure our Google Analytics account. Make sure it's up and running, get it added to a Shopify site, and let it run from there. If you got any questions, hit me up. If you need us to do an audit or review, see what we got going on, feel free to reach out.